Yo guys, it is Buckster Games here, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to get mods on American Truck Simulator, right there. So first you want to go to your browser and search up whatever mod you want. I'm just going to search up American Truck Simulator mods, and I recommend ATS mods, and I recommend it because there's a lot of mods on here and it's a very trustworthy website. So I'm just gonna get an example here. So this is a Kenworth T609, and what we want to do is download. There's always going to be download links down here. You download whichever one you want, but I already have an example mod downloaded, so I'm going to go to my downloads over here. There's a P389 Peterbilt 389.scs right over here, and we want the file to be SCS every time, because then you can go to your you need the SCS to make it work in your American Truck Simulator, because that's SCS company is what makes American Truck Simulator. So what you want to do is go to your File Explorer. I'm going to open up a new one. You want to go to your Documents. Then you want to go to American Truck Simulator. You should find it because it's alphabetical. Wait, no, it's not. Is it? Well, it doesn't matter. You'll find it in here if you have it installed. So yeah, American Truck Simulator. And if you're getting a truck mod or any kind of mod, you want to go into your mods. So Documents, American Truck Simulator, mod. Whoops, my bad. American Truck Simulator mod, and you just drag your SCS file into here, and it's imported into the game. And if you download a modded profile, you want to go to Profiles, drag the folder into your Profiles folder that you find in Documents, American Truck Simulator Profiles, and you should have your modded profile in there. So I'm going to show you guys an example of that right now. Okay, so guys, I am back on American Truck Simulator, and these are my two accounts that I used to use until I downloaded the modded account. And the modded account is level 137,002, and it has almost 2,000 distance driven, and it has a lot of money. And once you've downloaded your mod, you want to go into Mod Manager, find your mod in this list right here. And if it's gray, that means you need to activate it by clicking on it. And then click this arrow that's going to the right. And after that, you click confirm changes, and your mod is officially imported into the game, and you're all good. So I'm going to show you the money and other features about this modded account right now. So I have almost $1 billion if you follow my cursor right here. $1 billion, 2 garages, 5 trucks, and 5 drivers, and I make $16,000 a day from my drivers. So yeah, and it came with this amazing truck right here. So yeah, that's the big benefits. There's some big benefits to getting a modded account, and lots of mods, because this truck is a mod right here too. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope it helped you figure out how to install mods. So yeah, happy trucking. Bye.